In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change AirPods Max battery. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be presenting the main steps that you have to take in order to access the battery on your AirPods Max. Keep in mind that while you can do this yourself, if you aren't comfortable opening up your AirPods Max and you are scared of potentially damaging any of the internals, I wouldn't recommend doing this yourself. Take it to a repair shop and you will save yourself a lot of trouble. Now, if you are comfortable doing this, first remove the ear pads. These are magnetic, so you can just push them away and they will come right off cleanly. Once you remove the ear pads, you will now find a bunch of screws that you have to remove. For these, you don't have to remove them all the way through. Simply untighten them a little bit and you will be able to pull this first cover off. Once you have this cover removed, be careful of this cable attached to it and put it aside. You can remove this cable gently. Now, the next thing to do is to remove the actual speakers here. So to remove this speaker itself, once again, undo these screws that you see and be careful not to damage the actual speaker unit here. So don't drop any screws or scratch this. Once you have these speakers removed, you will now find screws at the side holding the batteries in place. So it is going to be here at this side and on the other one underneath the casing. So all that you have to do is undo the screws holding the battery in place. Once they are properly removed, simply pop them to the top and the batteries that are connected like this will come right off. So now you will be able to remove them. To insert a new one, you will put them in the same position and connect the necessary cables. I hope I was able to help you on how to change AirPods Max battery. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.